Hello everyone and welcome to the Vlinkuz channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the issue where the Settings app does not open or crashes instantly with a file system error on your Windows 11 machine. There are several steps you can try to resolve this problem. So let's get started. Enable the sensor services on your computer. Right-click the Start button and select Run. In the Run window, type services.msc and click OK. When the Services window opens, look for Sensor Service in alphabetical order. Make sure its startup type is set to automatic and that the service is running. If the status is not running, right-click the service, select Properties, set the startup type to automatic, click Apply, and then click Start. Once you're done, click OK, close the window, and try opening the Settings app again. If it works, you can stop here. If the issue persists, the next step is to restart Windows Explorer. Go to the Start menu, search for Task Manager, and open it. You can also access it by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete. In the list of processes, find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and select Restart. If the problem continues, run SFC and DISM commands. Search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scannow. Press Enter and wait until the verification reaches 100%. Once completed, run the DISM scan using the command provided in the video description. You can right-click in the Command Prompt window to paste it or type it manually. Press Enter to execute it and wait for it to finish. After the scan completes, close the window, restart your computer, and check if the Settings app opens successfully. After that, go back to the Start menu, search for PowerShell, right-click Windows PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator. You can also right-click the Windows icon on your taskbar and choose Terminal Admin. Once PowerShell is open, type the first command provided in the video description, or simply copy it from your notepad and paste it into the window. Then press Enter. Wait a few seconds for it to process. Then copy the second command, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter again. These commands will repair and re-register core Windows components. After running both commands, close PowerShell and restart your computer. When your PC restarts, the issue with the Settings menu not opening should be resolved. If the issue still isn't resolved, perform an in-place upgrade. Open your browser and download the Microsoft Media Creation tool using the link from the video description. Once on the Microsoft website, scroll down to find the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section and click Download. When the file finishes downloading, double-click it, allow it to run, and accept the license agreement. Select your language and edition and keep the option "Use the recommended options for this PC" checked. Click Next, choose ISO file, and click Next again. Select the download location, for example, your Downloads folder. After the ISO finishes downloading, open it and run setup.exe. The setup will prepare a few things, then automatically choose the option to keep your files. Follow the prompts, click Next, and wait while updates are installed. Your computer may restart several times during this process. After the upgrade finishes, log in using your Windows credentials. Right-click the Start button and open Settings. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates to ensure the issue is fully resolved. Hopefully this will fix your issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this guide helpful. As always, thanks for watching and see you in next one.